visiting my friend Alex's apartment. I consider him an eclectic tech bro, a sort of wizard who codes and plays music. I've seen his apartment through his TikToks of him playing piano, but something tells me the real thing looks even better and that he hasn't quite captured just how nice it is. He's an extreme minimalist, has very little furniture, and deliberately pretty much owns just one outfit. While I'm here in SF for a month, I decided to pay his place a visit, eat some sushi, and offer unsolicited interior design help.
Build awesome things. Not fake.
Not fake.
Welcome to the house.
This hasn't happened before. Wow. Wow. The park is really nice at this hour too. It was not as nice on like Pride. Yeah. It was kind of messy at Pride. Oh, you sleep on this?
So this is the...
Oh, that's kind of nice.
Yeah, right. Think about it. So this is where I sleep.
What is this?
That's my bedroom.
Wait, that's so thin. It's because you're skinny.
No.
Wait, do you fit on the whole thing? It's because you're skinny, Alex.
What? I mean, this has been tested over and over.
This is a 4-person tabletop. Okay. High-end incense.
This really interesting.
Wow.
I promise.
So do you cook
Cook what?
food?
No.
That's why there's a wood board on top of your stove, where there's usually a stove and pots and stuff.
That's so this used to be a kitchen a while ago.
What did you put in there? What's that, like, fluffy stuff?
No, I just took away all the parts so that it didn't come out. It used to be a fridge. No, it's not a fridge anymore. It's obviously turned off. There just is a storage of anything related to food is in this box.
What's up there?
Out there? Nothing. Turned off. Do you know what's inside here?
No.
Nothing.
Okay.
So all this is absolutely empty. Like, it's forbidden to put anything. This is the only place we actually put it. So
This is your, like, random shit place.
all the belongings in the house, like that's pepper spray. If I have another robber coming. Yeah, then I have my hot water, and I don't know. So this used to not be here until I needed people to come and write code. Now it's time for you to do the things.
Okay.
Here. They look at the view and they write the code.
They look at the view.
But I don't do it. Yeah. Oh, the dishwasher, that's what they used to do, yeah.
There's birds chirping too. Oh my gosh, this is like a sanctuary. Okay, so let's calibrate. Alex works at a big tech company, and I'll leave you to guess which one. He pays $5,000 a month for his 1.5 bedroom apartment that also has 2 balconies. So I wondered why someone with so much financial abundance would choose to live so minimally, but looking at his place, it feels right for him. And it turns out that you can buy camping furniture for your apartment if you want, spend it all on a great piano setup, experiences, and turn your kitchen into a library and music space. It honestly makes me wonder how I might set up my own place in a way that feels right for me. Do I need a bed frame, a table, 5 sets of cutlery? How can I be intentional about the physical items in my home? His lifestyle certainly isn't for everyone, but it's definitely been curated just for him, and I really like that, and I want that for myself as well.
This is a famous story where some physics people painted the zebra crossing in the office because all the time cars would not stop, so one day they just painted the thing and cars started stopping.
Oh, I see. I like that story.
And Zach said that's how we should build a company.
Wait, I love this chair.
Right?
I should get one. What the heck?
Right?
Can you fold it too?
Life is beautiful.
Yeah, like you've seen them. Wait, he's still the same thing.
Right.
What? Where's the highway?
I've seen your video. I'm trying to get these things.
What felt like a peaceful sanctuary in the day now feels like an open space to entertain, collaborate, and create. I kept looking at the kitchen area though and wondered, what if we put the piano there instead? And because Alex is a hacker and he moves fast and ships things, he said, let's do it, and got straight to moving things.
That's why I like the empty house. I can rearrange the house.
Right. I should keep the table here. Interior designer. Yeah. This looks great. But if you put that lamp at the front. When it all came together, it really felt like an NPR Tiny Desk episode. Well, maybe only when Alex was playing.
Thank you.